If you are unable to turn on your batch feed garbage disposer by rotating the stopper, here are the top 3 most probable causes. When a batch feed disposer stopper is rotated, it activates a start switch to run the appliance. If the start switch is defective, the disposer won't work. You should first check to see if a house fuse has blown or a circuit breaker has tripped. If you've determined the disposer should be receiving power, you can use a multimeter to test the start switch for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the switch. If the switch tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. If you've determined that the switch is functioning properly, the stopper itself could be faulty. It's also possible that the disposer's motor has worn out. Since the motor is not replaceable, you will need to install a new disposer to solve the problem. You can find many garbage disposer parts and accessories on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific part that will fit or fix your garbage disposer.